Myth or fact? All clear aligners are equal. Myth. The Invisalign system is more than a clear aligner. It's an entire system, one that includes biomechanical elements critical for tooth movements, such as root control and proper torque. Their material, innovations, software, and manufacturing combined to provide an unmatched outcome for me and unmatched experience for my patients. It starts with the SmartTrack material, designed to be 4 times more durable than any other aligners while providing the gentle, constant movement I need. Plus, with SmartForce attachments and SmartStage technology, I can harness the power of optimized forces and greater predictability. SmartForce features include optimized attachments and pressure areas that enable even the most difficult movements in the sagittal, the transverse, and the vertical dimensions. When I combine SmartTrack material and the Invisalign innovations together, I get 75% more predictability and faster treatments with weekly aligner changes. For every Invisalign treatment, I create a detailed plan using ClinCheck software, a sophisticated and proven platform that has helped create more than 6 million smiles so far. Once I submit a case, my aligners are created with 3D printing technology. Over 300,000 Invisalign clear aligners are fabricated every day with speed, scale, and operations I can trust, so all my patients can benefit from world-class manufacturing. Even with all of this, I am not alone. The Invisalign brand is one of the largest providers of orthodontic education, with over 2,000 technicians and over 300 clinical advisors. All clear aligners are not created equal, and the Invisalign system is greater than the sum of its parts. The material, software, manufacturing, and innovations all working together is what gives me confidence.